Mobile advertising fraud is a growing menace in the industry. According to a study, advertisers are expected to lose more than $16 billion in 2017 due to advertising fraud. This creates a big black hole in the advertising industry and hurts not only the advertisers, but also a lot of honest publishers. The issue is, every time the word ad fraud comes up, a plethora of new items arise, be it in-cent mixing, bot, carrier fraud, blacklisted IPs, organic stuffing, click spamming, click injection, pixel stuffing, ad stacking, etc. So, what if the advertisers or the publishers could get a real-time fraud testing tool rather than a post-mortem tool which analyzes the data to check for fraud sources, anomalies, etc.? That shall definitely help blocking the bad traffic sources and help save a lot of time, money, and efforts on the publisher and advertiser side. So after years of research and analysis, we've been able to develop one such product for all app marketers and publishers. We present to you mTraction FaaS, our real-time fraud analytics as service platform. It helps you identify the fraud on the runtime according to 15+ reason codes, fraud tricks, that publishers are using currently to propagate fraud in the market. mTraction FaaS's data intelligence engines have been designed and fed with data from across the globe. mTraction FaaS's engines identify the traffic trends across different categories apps in different geographies and highlight any anomaly present in the system. The mTraction FaaS's engine already consists of millions of blacklisted IPs, sub-publishers, hashed-device-ids, and potential fraud publishers, which it flags off if any of your traffic is coming from the same. FaaS's machine learning algorithms give fraud scores to conversions based on different logics. You get to see your app's traffic's fraud score and fraud reasons on interactive reports and dashboards. There are summary dashboards where you can quickly glance over what's happening in your account or dig deeper with the reason code specific reports. These are click to install time, which signifies click injection, click spamming, etc. IP frequency, highlights bot or carrier fraud or defunct IP pools. In-cent fraud, in-cent mixing with non-in-cent. Hashed-device-ids, device pools. Geographical outliers. Click conversion mismatch, highlight bot fraud. Click volume, click spamming or click injections. Ad stacking, click stuffing. Anonymous install, non-verified conversions. You also get fraud campaign and publishers reports to check. Which of your campaigns is most affected or which publisher is adding the most to your agonies. In addition to these, you also get a consolidated fraud conversion report, which gives you insight into the fraud score of each conversion along with the different reason codes they have been flagged for. It also provides you an option to create your own blacklist on an account, as well as campaign level, in addition to the default blacklist. Also, while integration, you can define the different fraud thresholds specific for your business and geo if you want to change the default settings. All this, and that too in real time. How do you integrate with this system? You can integrate using our SDK or APIs, or FaaS is integrable with all the leading tracking and mobile marketing software in the ecosystem. So say goodbye to mobile fraud and save your advertising money to scale your business profitably.